Welcome back to Cub Cadets. Today we're working on an 1811. Has an issue with this control rod, fell right out of it between the governor and the carburetor. You can see right here it doesn't have anything to hold it in. I'm going to put it in and you can pull it right out. So when the vibration of the motor, it's going to come right out. Now I'm going to convert it to this style right here. And I'm going to use this type of retainer to hold it in. So I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to pop these grommets out right here. This is going to be completely unedited. And you'll see how this is able to get done. I hope everyone enjoys my new format of just unedited, so you can see in real time how you work on these machines. My opinion, I think an M18 is one of the better motors that there ever was. Them are the grommets I'm going to take right out. They even had them in backwards. You want to put them in from the other side. When you put them in, these fit the newer Kohlers also. You just go put them in that way right there. So I'm going to switch it over. You can see the difference between these rods right here. This one is longer right in this area right here. So I'm going to put this one in. I'm going to put this this keeper right in the hole. We're going to snap it right in. We're going to put this one in here. It would help if my fingers weren't so big. We're going to snap that right in there. We're going to try anyways. There, it snapped in. Okay, so we're going to lube them up just a little bit. And we're going to check the throttle, make sure it's going to work, and it's definitely going to work. Now, when you take an air cleaner off in one of these machines, definitely put a piece of cotton down them or some type of plug, because them screws you take out of the air cleaner love to drop right down in there and get right in the choke area. So that's one thing I've learned over the years. An M18 is one of my favorite motors. I love these spread frame Cub Cadets. I appreciate everyone that watches my channel. I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions on repairing these machines, please email me. A lot of people have my cell number, so I'm able to text at any time. So I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I hope you like the unedited better than the edited. And please give me some feedback on that, and we'll definitely see you on the next video.